way, because otherwise this car can't, it will not give you the power unless you turn it off. Oh yeah, baby. Front wheel drive, baby. You know what's funny, because we all have kind of like different, like, we really all have each uniquely different cars.
Yeah.
So this really feels different for everyone. Oh, fucking righty. Hands on your body. Nice fucking turn signal, you fucking asshole. I'll go on the left lane. Third gear lockout. Oh, let's see. Slow as shit today. I only hit 19.4 pounds. I'm usually hitting like 22, so it's already heat soaked pretty bad. That sucks. Yeah, that felt slow as fuck to me.
I'm pretty sure the inlet air temperature is at like almost 100 degrees.
Oh, probably. Oh yeah, my boost air temps are so high. Yeah, it's just sucking up heat today. When I was in Mass, I'm used to boost air temps being like 60.
Yeah, no, here now.
Yeah, dude, holy shit.
Gang, baby.
Yeah, NA gang. Damn, I don't even have the fucking sad. Maybe I can hit on the way back.
Yeah. Two-step. Now watch this. Oops, my hand slipped. Ready? Wow, that was bad. See guys, no traction with these tires. That's not me going like, not keeping it steady.
It's so fucking weird how it does that. Where to next, guys? That fucking, what's it called? That
Yeah, Dave's Hot Chicken.
Dave's Hot Chicken.
Yeah, dude, that's good.
Oh yeah, Alex, did Alan tell you what my job was before I got down here?
No, what?
Driving instructor.
Oh, really? That's fucking sick.
Funny as fuck, right? Dude, you just did $130.
I told you, man, you missed the time I hit $160.
That's fucking insane, bro.
Bro,
Well,
this